Welcome. So today I'll go over an unboxing of the AMAZFIT Bip 3 Pro and just a quick look at just a couple provided information. So I'm going to start off with the information. So we are dealing with 1.69 inch display. It's colored, high precision GPS and GLONASS. I believe this is probably some type of GPS tracking. Long battery life, 5 atmospheres water resistant, so that's up to basically 50 meters deep. I'm not exactly sure what that translates into feet. Not my metric, so sorry. We have blood oxygen and saturation measurements and 60 plus sport modes. So that's basically all we get in here, at least in terms of the info. Now let's pop it open. It looks like it is sealed from either side, but they did include this nice little peel tab copied from Apple. There we go. I also have something to pull by now. Anyway, let's grab this and just yank it out. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. So there's the watch. It looks like the only thing left is just the paperwork, so I'm just gonna leave it in here. Up your game. Let's just peel that off. Oh, it actually turns on immediately. So anyway, that's kind of how the display looks like. Here we get a charger type A to this proprietary charging plug, which goes right here. So does it magnetically attach? Indeed it does. So there we go. Now the screen is actually smaller than the actual entire glass. Right here you can see the bezel right here. So it does have a bit of a chin, if you can call that a chin, but not much at the top of the display. So anyway, that's pretty much the watch. Pretty light. Obviously this is in pinkish color, but I'm assuming there's probably a plethora of other colors to choose from. So there we go. That's basically all there was in the box. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.